I'm beating you. Say, what's up, Mama?
What's up, Mama?
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Well, ski school has paid off. He has skied top to bottom at the Beeve. True, it is the JV mountain, but he's 3. All right. Ooh, little whoop-de-doos. Hey, little push. Great speed. See you go around the turn. Here, another push. Good shuffle. Whoa!
Now me.
Yeah. I make you beat it in. Okay. Ready? Straight skis. There you go. Let's see the turn. Yeah.